Is your control board on your Frigidaire range giving you problems? Well, I'm Dustin, the parts doctor, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to replace this. We'll go step by step. It'll be super simple, so let's jump right in. Your range's control board is responsible for setting both the bake and broil temperatures, displaying the current time, turning the oven light on and off, and controlling the countdown timer. Common symptoms of a faulty control board are buttons that don't respond when pressed or a stuck button that results in an F11 error code. The control board also connects to the oven's temperature sensor and controls the power sent to the bake and broil elements. If the bake and broil elements are both not heating but your cooktop burners are working, the control board is most likely bad and not sending power to the elements. If you are experiencing issues with your oven operation and you have already tested or replaced parts such as the bake or broil elements or temperature sensor, the control board may be the cause. Here are some common error codes that could ultimately be caused by a bad control board. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the control board. The smooth plastic surface on the front of the control board is called the overlay, which is held on by adhesive and is sold separately. If your control board is functioning properly but you need to replace the overlay, check out our control board overlay replacement video. We'll link it in the comments below. If you need to purchase a replacement control board for your Frigidaire range, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Tools needed for this repair: a T15 and T20 Torx screwdriver or bit, and a 1/4-inch nut driver, a putty knife, and possibly a hairdryer. This video features replacing electrical components, so please disconnect the appliance from the power source before beginning. After disconnecting your range from power by either turning off the breaker or unplugging the appliance, pull the range out to be able to access the back panel. On this model, there are 3 different fasteners holding the back panel on. There are also 2 different style screws that use a T15 and T20 size bits and 6 screws that have a 1/4-inch hex head. The 3 along the top are short black screws, and starting down the side there are 4 longer black screws attaching the top of the back panel to the appliance. Along the sides of the bottom half of the panel are 6 1/4-inch silver fasteners. You may want to snap a photo with your device for reference of where each style fastener is mounted before removing them. Remove all the fasteners but leave the top middle screw for last. Once that fastener is removed, carefully move the back panel away from the appliance and set it aside. Please use caution because the edges of the back panel can be extremely sharp. There are 3 sets of wires connected to the back of the control board. You may want to snap a photo before disconnecting the connectors for reference later. Disconnect each set of wires by grasping and pulling on the plastic housing, not the wires. The control board is held to the control panel by 2 T15 screws and 4 clips. First, remove the 2 screws and set them aside. Working your way around the board, apply slight pressure out to the board's plastic housing while releasing each corner clip. After the board is released from the 4 corner clips, rotate the top of the control board out and pull it free from the control panel. If you need to purchase a new control board, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to be sure you're getting the correct part and color. The control board is sold without the display overlay. You can reuse your existing overlay by carefully peeling it off of the old control board with a putty knife. Warming the adhesive with a blow dryer may make the removal process easier. Depending on the age of the appliance, it may be impossible to peel off the overlay in one piece. If your overlay is damaged or it cannot be removed, you can purchase a replacement separately at partsdoctor.com. We'll include a link in the description below. Center and apply your old overlay to your new control board. Note, on this model, the notch corner is in the top right corner of the control board. Once you have it aligned, firmly press the edges to assure that the overlay is attached to the control board. If you purchase a new control overlay, peel the protective backing off and align the overlay on the control board and press it into place. Slide the 3 tabs on the bottom of the control board into the control board housing. Once the tabs are inserted into the housing, slowly press the top of the control board into the housing until all 4 corner clips lock into place. Reinstall the 2 T15 screws into the top corners of the control board. Connect the 3 wire connectors to the back of the control board. Reference your photo from earlier if you need to. Be sure each connector is fully attached to the board. To reattach the back panel, align the holes in the top corners with the black screws in the back of the oven's control panel. Starting in the center of the top of the panel, insert a black T15 screw into the mounting hole to hold the panel in place. Insert the 2 other T15 screws into the corner of the back of the oven's control panel. Be careful not to over-tighten any of the fasteners. Moving down the sides, insert the longer black T20 larger threaded screws into the back panel. There will be 2 on each side. Finish by screwing in the 1/4-inch silver screws down the sides. There are 3 on each side, or 6 total. Slide the appliance back and reconnect the power. Your control board and range are now ready for use. And that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.